Hi, my name is Aranza Moreno, and as part of my personal project, I will be opening an iPhone, checking out its components, and then replacing its battery. The tools and materials you will need are an iPhone. Make sure that the iPhone is the one that you bought the battery for, special tools, and a battery. First, you will need to open the iPhone. You will use this really small screwdriver, and you will turn it around and you will take out these two screws. Since this is an iPhone 4S, the only thing you need to do is to slide off the back cover. This is the battery we're going to remove. So now we need to take off these two screws that are like at the bottom of the screen. And now we take off the metal plate. Now that you've removed the metal plate, you need to disconnect this little connector. So with a tool like this one, you will just pry it up. Like this. Now you'll just have to pull up this little tab. Be careful because it might be a bit stuck. But just pull it up and the battery will come right off. Now that you've disconnected the old battery, get your new one out, make sure it's closed, and make sure it's the same connector. As you may see, it is the same. Open it, and we'll put it there. Like this. Now you just connect the connector where the one was before. Like that. And now we will take the screws again that we used before and put them where they were. Make sure to put every part where it should be. Now that you're done, you just put the plaque here, make sure it's done, and slide it again, back where it was. Like that. And so, with the other screwdriver, you put the two screws that were here at the bottom again. And there's the other one. As you may see, it's not such a hard process. Maybe the process will change if your iPhone is a newer version because the way to take off the screen is different. But for this one, that is how it works. And well, just to make sure that the old battery, you put it in the right container because they can contaminate and we don't want